Hop, tom, tom, lele, lulu, mayang. 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 Mayang hop, tom, tom, lele, lulu, mayang hop, tom, tom, lele.
Hello, welcome to Namaste America. Today we are going to tour a one-bedroom apartment in Tampa. And Tampa, it's a famous place in Florida. There's a lot of IT companies and hospitals. So this particular apartment sits like 20 minutes away from International Airport and 30 minutes from downtown Tampa, Clearwater, beaches and malls. So today we are going to do a self-guided tour on one-bedroom apartment, and it's on the second floor. They gave me the key number and said, okay, looks like this is the one. So I'm going to key in the number that they gave me and check it out. We are in the second floor, and he said the apartment will have a sign saying this one. So I'm looking for it. Okay, I think I found it. So the guy gave me a number pin to enter, and I'll pin in the number and open the door. Okay, so we are here. Wow, this is a nice one-bedroom apartment. So I didn't get a chance to do the two-bedroom because it wasn't available. Oh wow, the kitchen looks so grand. I have never seen an apartment like this before, because the one that I stayed was like with the white cabinets and everything. This really looks very grand. No wonder why it's called White's luxury apartment. So this is a nice living come family come kitchen space. The balcony is also very spacious, and on the other side you can see it's the gourmet kitchen area with nice granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, high ceiling, lighting is awesome. It looks like you are in some kind of a model home, right? It doesn't even look like an apartment. So that's really awesome. And the faucets and all the cabinet knobs, everything looks so nice, very nice. Especially the stainless steel appliances. Wow, the dishwasher looks great. Ample amount of cabinet space, the oven, microwave, smooth top oven, everything looks so good. So this one bedroom apartment has a 1,300 rent, which also includes washer and dryer. Let me pull up this cabinet and see. Wow, it's a nice space, really good. So let's look around. Looks like there is a washer and dryer that comes with it. So in Florida, most of the time you'll get a washer or dryer space. Like in other places in North, you won't be getting a washer and dryer. So this looks nice, very spacious, and then you can see there is a cabinet or a tiny sitting area next to it. And when you do the laundry, maybe you can just sit there and work. Looks like there's a closet here. Might be a closet space. Okay, it's like a closet or a shoe rack area or coat hanging. Very nice, right? They made use of the space very good. So the bathroom looks very spacious again. Nice countertops, granite countertops, a spacious bathtub, very clean, neat, and the height looks really good. It's not like congested, and next to them you can see closet on both sides. Wow, that's really good, because when I used to live, we used to have a tiny closet space, but this looks really spacious. And the other this one, you can if you have a Indian family, You can make that as a puja room or a small kids room, a playroom. And this is another closet, and then you see the nice large bedroom. It says it fits a king. That means you can put a king bed here. Comes with fan, a nice open window that opens to the balcony. I loved it. It's like perfect for a family of a small child or just, small family. This place is really good. I really liked it. Very spacious, very open, lots of sunlight. The most important part that I loved is the balcony. So let's check it out. Wow, the balcony is huge. It has a nice space where you can literally hang in the flower pots or something on the wall. And you can easily fit a chair and table, 2 or 3 chairs in here and look outside. It's not bad at all. In the beginning, I was thinking $1,300 is a little too much for a one bedroom apartment, but look at all the cool stuff they have. So looks good, and it's very convenient, very close to Tampa Airport and beaches and malls and Citrus Park Mall. Excellent school district, best residential area, a lot of recreation parks. So you can't beat this price. So let's go back and check the clubhouse or the recreation area and the outdoor pool and all. So I'm heading towards the office area where I can show you the gym, a small yoga room, outdoor pool area, garden grill area, and a tiny game room. So he asked me to go back to the office, so I'm going back. But you can see around me, you can see all the apartment buildings. There are almost 10 buildings. So I am in the 5th building, but on the map it shows there are 10 buildings with 3 floors. So pretty good, big apartment place. So I got out of the apartment, and it's in the same complex. You can see townhomes and homes. Here you can also see a school which is perfect for kinder. I don't know if it's a play. I think it's a daycare, but it's a big daycare, and who doesn't like having a daycare or school near to your home? It's pretty convenient. So the daycare looks pretty nice, and the whole area is very residential. You can see a nice big playground here. Okay, there are no kids playing right now, but the playground looks nice, and the homes are all like upscale homes. So the area is very nice, and I love these homes. They look so different than other than the Florida style homes. And maybe one day I'll come here and take another vlog. But looks like a very nice residential area. Hope everybody liked this one bedroom tour of Mark Highland Park apartment. Please keep watching. Namaste America. Until next episode, this is Sajna. Bye bye.